Hi everyone, this is Aga from EurekaCrystalBeads.com and I'm here with another fun unboxing video for you. But before I get started, just a quick reminder to check out the rest of the channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of our fun content. Is it the middle of July already? Because today we're unboxing the Sugar Rush Beads Collection LITE, which is the mid-month collection for July 2026. This is it. I haven't seen all of it together live yet, so let's unpack it. In case you're new here, Eureka collections are carefully curated bead assortments created around a theme or color palette designed for beaders of all levels. We launch our regular collections monthly on the first Thursday of the month and our smaller LITE collections on a Monday around the middle of the month. Okay, and this is the collection. Let me tidy it all up and I'll discuss each of the products individually. As always, the first things that you get in the collection are the inspiration photo and the product list with an inspirational paragraph. So in this photo, you can see like an extreme close-up of, I would say it's a lollipop probably. It's got this beautiful palette of very vibrant, juicy colors that are kind of semi-transparent or translucent with a bit of a white sugar base. And I think the name of the collection, Sugar Rush, really kind of captures the vibe of this photo. I love the saturated colors. You get some pink, orange, red. This is a kind of light cyan red. And then some lime green. So very summery colors and a really good balance to the main collection of this month, the stained glass collection, which also had saturated colors, but in a totally different mood. And then you get this very useful piece of paper where you get the inspirational paragraph, and it's really nice this time. This is color at its most joyful, bright, bold, and sweet as the first day of summer vacation. Before you know it, these delicious fruity hues will make your creativity dance and swirl with vibrant ideas, full of energy and the kind of cheerfulness that is simply impossible to resist. Isn't life sweeter in full color? And I think that's a wonderful thought to start with. Inside here, as always, you get the name of the collection and of all of the products. They are all numbered. They have the number on the packaging, so you can match the number with the number on the list. And you can find out what kind of product it is, what size it is, what color it is, and how many or how much you get. Then you can look up the SKU number of the product, which is the easiest and most sure way to find it at EurekaCrystalBeads.com. So that's that. As always, the first section of products in the collection are the seed beads, and here you get 3 products. The first one being the custom mix of Miyuki seed beads that was created especially for this collection. And in this mix, you get 6 types of beads. You get 2 colors of 15 ounce, an opaque white and an opaque orange. Then 2 colors of 11 ounce, another opaque white again as this base for this collection, and a matte rainbow red. Then for an 8/0, you get the silver-lined matte lime green. Not sure if that's the official name, probably it's chartreuse or something like that, but this reflects their lime green from the photo very well. And then you get a 6mm bugle and opaque white as well. I think it's a lovely mix. And you get a sizable 20 grams bag. So this here on this tray is just a little bit of what you get. With number 2, you get a Miyuki Delica, and it's this beautiful, very vibrant, opaque orange AB color. And there's a full tube. And finally, something that we've actually received some questions about. So here in this collection, you can try this shape. This is the Toho triangle bead. Just like you can see on this bead shape in this picture here, the bead is triangular and the hole is triangular as well. And this one is transparent rainbow topaz. And then in the Czech bead section, you get 3 items. The first one being this 2mm fire polish bead in hyacinth AB. It's such a lovely color. Very pretty. And that's a strand of 50. Then you get a full tube of mini duos in this lovely transparent olivine color. And another full tube of ginkgo beads in slushy orange. So on one side, they have this colored metallic kind of coating. And on the other side, the glass is sort of crackled, I would say. And I think it's transparent on its own, yes, but the coating on the back ensures that the color is visible throughout the bead. And finally, we've arrived at crystals, and starting with the stones, you get a marvelous combo of round stones, and they are all in this no coating finish, let's say. So it's just pure color, and you get two pairs of 12mm round Rivoli stones, one in rose and one in light cyan. And then you get six 8mm chaton stones. Three of them are in, I think, my favorite color of crystals of all time, olivine. And three of them are in this beautiful sunflower color. So it's a little bit more yellow and more vibrant than light topaz or smoked light topaz. It's a little bit more sunflower-ish. And they look so nice together. Next up, we get Krakovski Crystal bicone beads. They are 3mm. The color is light cyan, and it is indeed very light and so pretty with the rest of this collection. And you get this little packet of 72 pieces. And the next Krakovski product are these rice-shaped pearls, which is a relatively new shape in the Krakovski pearls assortment that we carry, and I cannot wait to design with them, and I can't wait to see what our designer friends do with them as well. So they are 6mm long, and you get a pack of 50. That's not it, however, when it comes to crystals, because you also get a strand of over 100 beautifully sparkly Chinese crystal rondelle beads, and the color is called Sun Iris. So the coating makes them sparkle really, really nicely. This is not an AB, so not a rainbow coating, but this kind of a reflective. Oh my gosh, really pretty. And the color is such a vibrant orange. It's vibrant without being like too much, you know? It's not neon orange. I really love it. Finally, we have the findings, and here they are. I think the real highlight of them, and the first thing that I will show you, is those two connectors that have a bit of enamel on them. They're really pretty, and you may know the shape already because we have a few of them in the store. They have two holes, which makes them perfect as just an element of beading. So they're really easy and fun to incorporate, and you get two pieces of those. Then for clasp, you get this toggle clasp. It's pretty basic, but I think you can't go wrong with that. And finally, you get two pairs of earring findings, those ear wires, really classy. And then those leatherback earring findings, and all of those findings are in the shiny silver plating. And that's Eureka's July LITE Collection Sugar Rush. I'm really excited to work with all of these vibrant colors. Those rice pearls are a definite must to try. I love all the crystals that you get in this assortment. And I'm also interested in trying out those triangle beads. I think I did something with them in the past, but I'm not sure if we have any tutorials using those. In general, I wouldn't say I wear these colors every day, but they are very exciting to work with. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe so you don't miss any of the tutorials that we publish with those products. You can get the Sugar Rush Collection LITE from EurekaCrystalBeads.com, and the link to the collection and the full list of all of the products included will be in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comment, so make sure to check that out. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!